Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to delete your Facebook account. To delete your Facebook account permanently, first of all, open your Facebook application and make sure that you have logged into it. Then hit on the menu button which is on the bottom right corner of your screen and then scroll down a little bit and you will see an option of setting and privacy. Hit on that. Now, once you go through the settings, go through your account center and hit on the personal details and then hit on the account ownership and control. From here, select deactivation or deletion and then select your Facebook profile. Now give them an appropriate reason to delete your Facebook account permanently and hit on the continue. At last, you will be asked to enter your password. Once you enter your password, you are good to go to delete your Facebook account. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.